Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jen. This is just Jen's Things. These are the things that make me smile. We are back today, guys, with a little bit of a different type of video for you. It is a Monday, the start of a new week, guys. It is after Mother's Day, and I thought that I would finally unbox my Mother's Day present from my husband with you guys. If you like fragrance content, I usually post a lot of fragrance content, everything from Bath and Body Works and Victoria's Secret, guys, to also affordable perfumes as well. Stick around, I have a ton of fragrance content on my channel, but today's unboxing, guys, is my Mother's Day gift. Let's get into today's video. Okay, guys, so before I jump into my unboxing, I'm going to go over what my scent of the day was with you guys. So I did finish off a body wash today, and I think it was Blooming Bouquet. I finished off that one. I went in with the EOS Vanilla Cashmere. I'm probably a third of the way done with this. It's almost done. Time for me to find a new scent that I want to try. I then went in on top with the Strawberry Cheesecake Body Oil from Bodycology. This is probably my favorite body oil from Bodycology. I adore this scent. Then, guys, my scent of the day is the Nuha Vanilla Pearl. This has a lot of fruity notes in it. It's really a beautiful, well-blended, kind of like fruity vanilla. It's really, really pretty. So I went in with that. And then, guys, I just topped it with the Rehem Rose Petals by Paris Corner. On my TikTok and on my Instagram and my other socials, I go more in depth on those perfumes. But that was my scent combo of the day. Let's jump into today's unboxing. You guys! Isn't it pretty? So I have to confess, I know what this is because I picked it out, but Rob said yes, so I got it. So I do know what it is. I then had this gift wrapped for my mom for Mother's Day. I got her a Vera Bradley blanket. The only one that our Dillards had left was the Star Wars pattern, but it's okay, guys. Like you guys know, she does have dementia. She doesn't understand that the flowers on the pattern are the starships from Star Wars. We are really big sci-fi fans, so it's still in our living room, and I think it's adorable. So I did get my mom that. And then for my mother-in-law, I got her a gold with like kind of like diamonds for a cross from Kendra Scott. So, and guys, we did have a really, really good weekend. Rob's parents had gone ahead and come in from Florida. We celebrated our oldest daughter turning 18, and we got to spend the weekend with my in-laws, and it has been a really, really long time since we got the chance to do that. So it was a lovely weekend. I hope that you guys had a wonderful Mother's Day as well. You guys, so I did go ahead and have my Dillard's gift wrap this because I wanted something pretty to finally go ahead and unbox. I love this butterfly. I would love to go ahead and keep it, and I think I can keep it, guys. This is so cute. Oh no, I think it just popped off. Oh, it did. The little thing popped off, but we'll see if maybe Rob can glue it. You guys know he does so many like really awesome stuff with like miniatures. So I'll see if he can go ahead and glue it back on, but it's so cute. Let's go ahead and undo the bow. I might keep this bow too. This is really cute. And this was like the most colorful paper that they had. Okay, how am I going to open this? I'm going to open it from over here, guys. I'm not going to keep the paper. It's okay. I don't always have Dillard's like gift wrap everything that I buy, but I did in this case because I wanted to have something special. So it's just the white box from Dillard's, which is like the fanciest department store that we have in our little area. Here you guys go. So it is a purse. It is one of my favorite colors, you guys. I found it on clearance. You guys, it's so cute. Look at this. I am just ecstatic. Look at that color. So this is the Michael Kors Grayson Medium Satchel, and I think the color is WildBerry with silver hardware. I have very, very little purses that have silver hardware. Most of everything I find is always gold, so I was really excited. I do need to flip over the charm so it can actually show, but she's so cute, you guys. I got her on a discount, so that was so exciting. And she's just so pretty. Look, there's this. She reminds me of my Speedy. I do have an authentic Speedy that is bigger, and this size is obviously smaller, but I like that because it's still huge. I mean, you guys, this is huge. And I know some of you guys are going to be like, why would you get like a purse that's so out of date? You guys, this happens to be one of my favorite, what is the word? Styles. And I've had one before. I had the white monogram for in the summer, and then I had to sell it, which was so devastating for me, guys. I hated having to sell that purse because I loved it in the summer. So here is her strap. Let me see if I can get this. I'm just so enamored that I found this color on clearance. And on the website, they have her listed for more than what my store sold her to me for. So I was like, ooh, guys. So I got her for $104. Which I think like the website makes it look like it's even more than that. But she's so pretty. I can't get over this. She's so cute. I'm like so ecstatic, guys. This color is so gorgeous. I can't wait to like decorate her too, because you guys know I'm definitely gonna be decorating her. Let me go ahead and put the strap on. I haven't been interested in a Michael Kors bag in a lot of years, guys. A lot of years. Because I usually go for like Portland leather, something more casual most of the time. I don't go for usually like a structured look. I go for something that's more slouchy. But her color is what was, because I'm never gonna find, guys. I'm never gonna find this color again. She's so stinking cute. She's so cute. She really is. She is so cute, you guys. Let me go ahead and get this off. There we go. God, I love her. I love her. She's so pretty. She's so cute. So let's do her zipper up. So she does have like pockets right here, so you can slip like your phone. She has feet. I didn't notice that at first, but she does have feet. She has another pocket right here. She has like the bandolier. She is like very she's more squishy than I thought, which I actually prefer. The silver hardware, the charm, her zipper is like really cute, guys. She has a really cute zipper. And then she has a really good lining. We'll go over here first. I have to take that off, but she has like a zippered pocket over here. And then she has just like a slip pocket right here with her lining. You guys, I am absolutely in love with this purse. It's been a long time since I looked at a purse and I was like, oh my God, I cannot leave the store without this. So, ow, why can I not? Oh, I can't get it off. Why? There we go. So I always keep these tags just in case like I ever have to go ahead and like sell her, but I'll just put her in the purse itself. I wish, you guys, that I could find like a matching wallet or something. My wallet's not going to match this, but maybe like later on I can find like maybe a card holder or something. Isn't she so cute? You guys, she's so stinking cute. She's like a forever purse for me because she is so cute. I can't stand how cute she is. She's really adorable. I have such a mess to clean up, but you guys, so again, she is from Dillard's. She is the Grayson Medium Satchel in WildBerry. So cute. So cute. All right, guys. So stay tuned. I'll have another video of actually going ahead and moving into her, and I'll post that for you guys soon. Bye, friends.
They move too fast, honey, for pictures. Not me again.